Hello everybody, I'm going to show you the easiest way to improve FPS on the newest Indiana Jones game. I'm going to put a link to this in the video description, but you just copy and paste it into your browser, and then you just download this file. Now once you've downloaded the file, you open up downloads, here you go, and you're gonna, so let's extract it here, or let's just open it. And you're gonna find the great circle config. Now what do you do with this? So you open up File Explorer, you go into your username, save games, machine games, the great circle, base, and here you're gonna see this config file and you want to delete this, and then you want to replace it with the config file from here, and then you simply close it out and then restart the game, and that will fix a lot of lag.